Good evening YouTube. I am here outside Ibiza because we are about to go in to Ushuaia. It's the opening party today. It's the end of April. Mental. It's so many people are around playing in Bossa today. It's going to be busy in there. I'm with Anenka, 3 artists, and they are going to do a live set from 1 PM. Hattie's here doing the press shots. How are we?
Good.
Excited to go in?
Yeah, very good. Buzzing.
Buzzing?
Looking forward to it. We're hoping the weather holds out for us so far.
It's a little bit. It's a little bit breezy, but I think it'll hold out. Although it is cloudy.
I'm hoping the hungover people from last night are going to be thinking this is a little bit easier.
Yeah. Are you excited for the set?
Midday sun.
Can't wait. Yeah, we've got some. We've made a load of music, especially for the show. Actually, we've got about 3 new tracks. About 3 new tracks that we made especially for the show.
Yeah.
And then a load, probably like a set of probably about 70%.
Yeah, that's the nice thing is that this is probably the first time where the material we're actually playing is, as Chris said.
And are you playing anywhere else this summer?
Yeah, we've got
Hive.
Cool shows coming up. We're back here in July for Vintage Culture Fisher.
Yeah.
We're playing at Space in Eden as well, and yeah, who knows? Maybe we'll be back in more, but
yeah. Well, I'll let you get your press shots, and then we'll go inside. How was it?
It was really good. It was sick. Like, crowd really filled up towards the end. All our new tracks went down like really well.
Yeah, wicked.
Sun came out as well.
Yeah, Sun came out, and yeah, Layla's on now.
Shall we go for a beer?
Good vibes. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go for a beer. Beer's needed again. 100%.
Hey. Happy with that?
Yeah, man.
Sick set.
It was wicked. It's good fun. Really good fun. I want to do it again. Worst part is it ends.
Thank you. What's awesome? No.
Placer.
So what are you wrapping up here?
So this is, I take this everywhere I go. This is the Electron Analog 4.
Yeah.
So
you don't just put a USB in and go?
That's, well, not really, no. Bits and bobs of synthesis, bits and bobs of drum machines, sampling.
Yeah.
There was a bit of mixing.
That's a boutique synth, right? So it like does like kind of rhythmical stuff along with the mixes.
Oh, wicked.
Yeah.
And like we can play like a few of our tracks completely live from like
From a collection of the boxes. So this is.
Oh, thank you. Cheers.
So this is, we basically play a lot of like, we stem out a lot of our tracks, playing through the octave track. You can kind of mangle it. It also has like MIDI sends on it, so you can control hardware from it. What else? And we got the Electron Rhythm, which is like a drum machine, so we're triggering beats live. And
well, I'll let you get it wrapped up and get on the beers.
that's it. Let's do it.
Do more of these.
Team.
Sláinte.
Cheers, little bro.
Does anyone want to say a little prayer?
Amen.
So I'm here with Josh from Enka. They've just come off the stage. Josh, tell us a little bit about who are you, or who are yous?
Okay, I'm Josh from Enka. With these two guys, Chris and Dave. Dave on his phone. 2 brothers. We went to school together. We've known each other, God, for many years. We used to be in a little crew, drifted apart, and then about 10 years ago came back for a love of music, and we just never looked back since, really. So just very happy to be here.
And you've played piano for a few years, yeah?
Yeah, personally, I've always been music. It's been a kind of, maybe I learned to speak music before I did English, so it's been like my way of expressing to the world, and somewhat of medicine for me, actually.
Wicked. Well, I'll let you go and enjoy a few
Thank you,
drinks,
man. Thank you.
It was
Pleasure to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Thanks for coming down.
So I'm here with Chris and Dave. Boys, if you could sum up what you are about, what would you say?
What are we about? Like emotive electronic music. Yeah, like kind of deep emotive electronic music. we love synths, we love emotion in dance music.
And how was the experience of playing at Ushuaia Open? And that's pretty fucking big.
It was awesome. It was really good. It was great to debut. We debuted a load of our new material. We were experimenting with some new ways of playing stuff as well. Some new bits of kit that we hadn't hooked up beforehand. Yeah, it was amazing. And like the venue's incredible. The sound system was on point.
Are you playing
the crowd was
somewhere
awesome.
else this year? Are you playing anywhere else this year, like High or anywhere?
Yeah. We're playing at High. We're playing for Vintage Cultures Night in July. We're playing at Space later on in the summer as well. So yeah, it's amazing. It's a pleasure to be back here on the island, and yeah.
I'll let you, I don't want to bother you too much. Have you had a good experience?
Wonderful, amazing. It's been a great day.
Well, look, enjoy your time.
Cheers.
Thanks for taking the time to talk to
Thanks
me,
very
as
much,
always.
mate.
And I'll see you at High.
Thank you.
See you there, mate.
Your mind, connect your soul, connect your body, enter the simulation.
So that was Ushuaia opening with Enka. The party went on to the little hours across the road in High, and we move on to the next one. I'm here at Ibiza Rocks. Sorry I haven't been doing so many videos, but I have been super busy. There's going to be loads of content coming whenever you see from villas, from retreats, from all sorts. It's going to get spicy. The crowd is building here at Ibiza Rocks, and they've given me the best room in the house. Opening party starts tomorrow, so we're here for a couple of days. But do hit subscribe if you're liking these videos, and yeah, you're gonna see a lot more of me. I promise. I'm gonna see a lot more of me. Well, thanks for watching.